Okay, welcome back everyone. In this section I'm going to show you how to install your MetaTrader 4 platform and how you can open a demo account. So firstly, open your browser, go to google.com. Right, when you get to this page now, we need to download MetaTrader 4. Of course, there's other platforms that you can download for you to practice on. We've got MetaTrader 5, we've got C-Trader, and we also have Ninja Trader. But for this class, the beginner's guide, we're going to use the MetaTrader 4, which is the commonly used platform all around. So when you get to Google, type MetaTrader 4, it pops up. Right, different brokers, in most cases they offer their own different version of MetaTrader 4, but it's all the same, nothing is different. It's just that it will be personalized for that broker. So in this class, we are going to be using the MetaTrader 4 from metatrader4.com. So you open the first search result, and then you're gonna get to this page here on the MetaTrader 4 website. Now we need to download MetaTrader 4, so we go to MetaTrader 4 and click where it says download for free. So MetaTrader 4 is like the commonly used platform out there, and almost most traders, they use the MetaTrader 4. So now we just need to scroll down, and then we download MetaTrader 4 for PC. If you have a MacBook, it will be there. Download MetaTrader 4 for Mac. So once you click download, you're gonna see here at your bottom left, MT4 setup. You need to click that. Right, and then we need to go yes. Right, let me minimize this a bit. Now we are on the setup page for Meta 4. Then we need to click next, and then it's gonna install the platform. Just give it a little bit of time. Right, and done. You have installed your Meta 4 Trader. Once you click finish, now let's wait for it. It should open now. Right, so this is our Meta 4 platform trader. Of course, mine is already customized, but under normal circumstance, MetaTrader 4 comes with, by default, it comes with these charts. It will have this chart by default. Right, so this is how you install your MetaTrader 4. Already they're gonna give you a demo account. You're gonna get, it comes with a demo account. Right, I've already installed it prior to this class and opened my demo account, which had 10,000. So this is the MetaTrader 4. If you want to open another demo account, you just come to file, open account, you choose your broker there. Here we're just gonna use the meta codes, and we click on next. Open a demo account to trade virtual money without risk. And you go next. There you go, you've got your new demo account created. You see, Now we've got a new demo that has got $10,000. So this is how you download and install the MetaTrader 4 platform on your computer. So in the next class, in the next section, I'm going to show you how to customize and navigate the MetaTrader 4 platform. See you in the next class.